I'm doing an updated version of everything you need, legislation and legal wise, to run a successful lash and brow business. The first one off the bat is an ABN or ACN. An ABN is an Australian business number and an ACN is an Australian company number. If you go through an accounting service to get either one of these, you are going to pay a cost. If you do get an ABN online, it's completely free. The second most vital thing you need is business insurance. A lot of people aren't aware of this. If you are a homeowner, it does not fall under the same category as home insurance. You do need some sort of business insurance. Easiest way to access this is looking up BizCover, and they will tell you what sort of insurance you need for your type of company. The third thing you want to do is get council approval for your salon. I'm in New South Wales, Australia personally. I'm not going to name what suburb I'm in, but my local district council, I had to call them and get them to come and do a council approval and tell me what I needed to be a council approved salon for my shed. The fourth thing that you want is a seamless booking system. The two that I recommend is Setmore and Square. The reason I love Square a little bit more rather than Setmore is because Square is my point of sale system. So you will often hear us talk about POS. That means point of sale system, okay? That's what all of your money comes through. So I have a little EFTPOS machine that my clients tap on when they're paying for their service, and that goes to my POS system. Each financial year, I will log onto my Square account and click reports, and I'll hand that over to my accountant and she'll check what I've made for that year. It's super easy, it's free, and I will 100% recommend it to anybody. The fifth thing is how I keep on top of all of my receipts. Majority of all of my stock and stuff is all digital, so what I do is I just screenshot everything and I pop it into a file on my phone and save it there. So then when it's the financial year, I will print everything out and I'll give it to my accountant. Some accountants do like you to email it through. My accountant rather all of the paper copies, so just ask your accountant what they're wanting to do. And that leads me to my fifth point. As a business owner, I would never recommend doing your own tax reports. I would always recommend going to a professional accountant and getting them to lodge everything. This is super crucial because you do not want to get in trouble by the ATO, and you want to do everything properly, finalising everything and making sure that you're paying the right amount of taxes.